Hi, this is Mogens Petersen, and as you probably know, we have done several videos, 5 or 6 of them, all about 2 minutes long, one on disability, one on long-term care, one on index annuities, and so on and so forth. So if you want information on that, just let me know. This video is going to be about 2 minutes. It's about health insurance, individual insurance, and group health insurance. Let's start out with individual. In January of 2014, all individual insurance will be guaranteed based on the healthcare reform, assuming it's not repealed. And obviously I wouldn't know if it will be repealed or not. But there's HMO plans, there's HSA plans, there's PPO plans, there's all kinds of options in the individual market, but people can be declined as of right now. Premiums are very reasonable. You can get unlimited benefits in the neighborhood of $3 a day. Somebody between 30 and 34 years old. Very good PPO plan. So just let me know if you want information on that. It's all on our website, and I will be happy to also email some stuff to you on individual health insurance. Tons of options. Now, group health insurance is a little bit different. California passed a law in 1993 guaranteed issue for all groups, and guaranteed rates also. So somebody can start a group plan with just one person on payroll, all pre-existing conditions paid. The insurance company cannot increase the rates due to health problems, so you're kind of protected in that market. The healthcare reform is going to take place in another little over 2 years, and some of this will change by then. One thing that is affected right now is the 100% preventative benefits, whether it's on the individual side or the group side, paid at 100%, no co-payment, no deductibles. Very powerful benefits. Some HMO plans are priced extremely well, especially here in the Inland Empire. We can go all the way down to about $5 a day for quality benefits with no deductible. So just let me know if you want information on either individual or group insurance. Phone number here is 909-981-4005. You have a terrific day. Bye-bye.